When you want to go on a vacation, but you're broke and COVID is still around. So you use what's at home to improvise.
Me tired! Me sick of me bum my husband! Tired of that place here!
Me to me.
It's like you want to get catch because your heart soft. You can't soften up your heart in this situation, bro. If you have to try harden your heart, bro, do it, and then after you go ball or you can't depend, you can't just, bro, this is not the time if you start the balling or nothing happened to me yet.
Your body good, me have to talk about it. Come in and make your soul and no ask about it. Wind up your body, make me video tape it. The bed in the room, but no ask about it. I just say, hey, me and give your girl sit down on it. Up in the Benz, yeah, make me start it. But
I'm here, doctor. Watch your vibes, watch your vibes, you. You see, sir? I Jamaica with it, right, sir? You understand? And we are flying, go over America, right, sir, right? And we left America, Ghana, over Europe, yes, sir. And then we left Europe, past China, and go Africa, right, sir? That's me.
you have show me all of that for.
Come here and try to show you, say, oh, for me and try to send you up on your mother.
Judging people based on the high school you're associated with, Girls Edition. Let's get into it. You're stushing at the streets and you're stushing at the sheets. You're trying to be a hot girl and a demon, but you can't help being a good girl. You're not afraid to make the first move to tell a boy if you take off him drawers. You're sexually adventurous and you're not afraid of exploring things. Wanna just stay out of trouble, mind on the business and deb out. Devil, demon, Leviathan, Lucifer, Satan, Antichrist, Succubus, whatever you want to call it, I want of that. You're smart and career driven, but you'll be single the rest of your life. When you're physically and mentally abusive.
Making source-sop juice.
I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no.
They come back together and then they stretch forward and then they pull apart again.
We're swimming on land.
Watch to the end.
So you like Jamaican?
Yeah, man, I'm Jamaican.
You don't look that Jamaican though.
How the fuck am I supposed to look like? A fucking jerk chicken? Huh?
Like Bamali or
Like
something?
a rotted ackee and saltfish?
Boy, who the fuck?
Bitch.
Don't play with me.
Back shot, back shot, back shot, back shot, back shot,
Back shot, back shot, back shot, back right there. Got it. Shot. Hey.
I don't understand why you out to steal my stuff and act like a year.
It's like when you feel say a joke thing, brother. Feel say a joke thing, mama. What you say?